Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, aka Grumpy Pants. Welcome to my fluid art channel. Today I'm trying to do another side swept, soft, wispy, clouds in a breeze painting on a 24 by 24. I have failed twice. It's a pretty decent sized canvas. Just took a little break. You know how this makes or breaks your day, right? I am wearing my stubborn pants. I am such in a stubborn mood and I want what I want. And I'm not going to stop until I get it. So if this video ends up being, 57 minutes long instead of, the usual 16 to 20, that'll be why. Fingers crossed. Let's get down. Hey guys, it's Karen. I just turned the camera off and on because I had a fail and I didn't want to make you guys watch it all. But see this big blob of purple here? Yeah. I'm raising my middle finger to that corner. Let me tell you about the colors and we'll go again. I'm going to ease up on one of them, which is this one here, which is, I don't even know what it is. It's a leftover purple from a student and I don't remember what it is. It's like a medium violet color. So I don't remember what brand or anything, but we're just going to do a little bit of it. I'll take that back. I have another idea. We're going to use it, so I'm going to put a decent amount. I changed my mind. So there's my violet color, and then this is I have all either TLP pigments or golden fluid acrylics. This is their phthalo turquoise, but it's not a full strength. So there is phthalo turquoise. And those were the two strong colors. So now we're going to come in with softer colors. And I think I'm going to do a bright color next. This is this little piggy in parakeet, and I felt like parakeet was looking strong, so I had tempered it down with Titan green pale, just to calm it down a little. Some of it can peek through. And then the last color, also, I know I'm missing one. We're forgetting it. This is this little piggy in enchantment. I knew I was forgetting some. There's a lot of enchantment. No, it's not enchantment. It's crescendo. I do that all the time because they're very similar. This is crescendo. And then my final color is Viridian Green Hue by Golden, not at full strength, and I adore it. This shade of it, this version of it right here. I think it's so pretty. So there's those. And then my CA, and I had done a bunch. I had done, this is a combo of Oxide Black and Permanent Violet Dark. This stuff. And then I had put Titanium White CA on top of it. And I had more of this and only a little bit of white. So this time I'm going to do the opposite. I'm just going to put a little bit of this, comparatively speaking, for a 24 by 24. And then a lot of the white. Yeah, like 3 full, I mean, these aren't teaspoons. Yep. All right, let's blow this out. Give it a huff and a puff. I'm all crooked and everything. I don't even care. Cool air high fan. See, that's what happened last time. It started off all soft and pretty, and then it got really bold. And the boldness ended up ruining it. You can kind of tell that was all soft and pretty, and then ba-bam. And not a good ba-bam, like a bad one. And that was, I tried to save it and couldn't. And let me throw on some gloves while I stare at this. And I'm gonna, I think, dunk that one part that with that's super dark. And then we're gonna tilt before we spin. I'm gonna take a spoon. And be like, you know, I'm kind of hungry. You look good. Let me take you out to lunch. Come with me. Yep. Bye-bye. And then I want to open up the middle. So let's go. Oh, that middle kind of stuck. That's okay though. Let's go up a little. It's gotta go. I just don't like it. I don't like this whole dark part. Oh, you come out. You're too dark too. I just spit a little bit of paint. That's all right, because that part's coming out. We're going bigger spoon. We're going 2 spoons. I'm gonna tilt that off because I hate it. I hate it. All right, let's see if we can mess it up. I'm probably gonna go off camera for a sec. Bear with me. 3, 2, 1. I just lost half my painting. I was so mad at that middle. I want it to be soft. And I want what I want, damn it. That's like me totally being stubborn. worked out. Am I going to get light and airy? I was like determined. Let me see. I still got paint on one corner. This should be the last little spin. It looks pretty when it's spinning. Hopefully it looks as pretty when it stops. Let's see. Why? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yay! Oh, that was nerve-wracking, y'all. That was so nerve-wracking. These are my jam lately, though. I'm just in love with like the windswept, soft look. This one has. So how picky should I be? So this one has some big cells. Looks kind of landscapey, which is cool. The cells and lacing, can you see the whole thing? Go all the way across. I'm deciding, like, let me wipe off my fingers. If I like these little pointy things, but I think I do. Because it just looks like the wind's pushing on it. And the colors and the cells here are just chef's kiss. So, are you happy now? I've been trying to make this painting for the last hour and a half, which in the fluid art world is like forever. Any other painting technique that you'd be like, what, that's it? I'm saying ta-da. I was contemplating taking off, again, I want to watch where I point, the big cells here. And this is like, you know, the whole shoulda, coulda, woulda, because, you know, if you go to do it, you can't get it back. And I like the cells that are up at the other end. I think I leave them. Yeah. Totally in love with the colors. Let me clean up and get you guys down for the dry results. Be right back. Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm back with the dry results. I'm grumpy because the light in my studio, late afternoon, it's not a good time to come and try and film dry results. And I can't get the bling to show up no matter what I do. I have lights, I have photography lights, I have flashlights, I have lights on my camera, and I just can't get any sparkle. I really like this piece very, very much. I am still very taken with the whole wispy to the side look. I need to put a series of those paintings up on my website for sale, because I think I have 4 or 5 now. This one is very, very soft and pretty, and it's not conveying. It really isn't. Let me zoom in here or try to come in close. See, I can't get bling no matter what I do. It drives me crazy. So this is one orientation, and now I see a big shell. Oh, there's a little bit of bling right there. I love the cloudy effect. You can see I removed the pointy point things. Yeah, they had to go. I didn't like them. I tried to like them, but it didn't work out. Let me flip it upside down so you can see the other orientation. You can pick your favorite. Hold on one sec. All right, here it is the other way. I like it the first way better. Chloe likes it this way better. I think it's personal preference. And if someone buys it, they'll have their choice, obviously, before I put hardware on it. Let me get you in closer. See, when I do, my shadow, look at that. Just see my head moving around? It's just making everything darker. I am just on the struggle bus today for sure. I am not doing this painting justice. It is just so light and airy, and I can't get over how dark it looks on my phone. Like really dark. What are you going to do? I will try to take some good photos and post them somewhere so you guys can see. Actually, this orientation isn't bad. I'm all kerfuffled. What can I say? I'm going to go. You guys have a great week. Let me know your thoughts. Cause good trouble. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Peace out from Grumpy Pants.